new Google Pixel watch. I'm going to show you how to change the bands. So very simple here. Now if I turn the watch over, now you can see there's a release button on here. Okay, on this side you can see it's right here, that little silver button. There's nothing on there. Now on the other side, it's up here. You see that little silver button right there. Okay, so to take it out, we have to press the silver button and then slide the band towards the button. So I'll put my thumb right here, so I'm going to slide it towards my thumb. Okay, so I'm going to press the button and I'm just going to go ahead and slide just a little bit. Okay, even if you get it like a little bit, see how it's a little bit out like that? Now we can just pop it out just like that. Okay, now to put it on, I'll leave it upside down again, and we can see the button is over here. Okay, so what we want to do with this little tiny lip here on the side, we want to cover that entire button. Okay, so we want to go ahead and cover the entire button, and now kind of play with it. You can see the contacts still, okay, but kind of play with it until you don't see no more contacts. Okay, see no more contacts here. Now I'm going to slide it up. I heard a little click and boom. Okay, now let's do the other side. So the button is on this side here. It's not here, it's down here. So let me press the button and then let me slide down. Oh, there we go. Put it back on. I'm going to keep it upside down. The button is on here on the bottom here. Okay, so I'm going to cover the button with this little tiny lip. Cover the entire button. Okay, just go ahead and put that on there. And now when you cover the button, now try to hide the metal contacts. You have to kind of play with it. So okay, so whoop, I see no contacts now. Right now I'm going to slide this up and I hear a little snap. Pretty simple.